Have you tried many networking solutions, but all of them don't work well? Want to fix your network problem and require technical assistance right away? You are not alone. Zyxel is your networking ally. Whenever you need to tackle network problems, Zyxel can help. Listen to what our customers say.
We have a number of remote offices, and with the use of Nebula and USB Flex, the ability to simply pre-program that device and send it to the remote office, have them plug in and connect with no other interaction is really amazing.
Other customers were impressed too.
Zyxel's Nebula solution saves our time that can be used for other tasks. This new infrastructure from Zyxel delivers super-fast 10G connections across the whole network.
Want to know how we help leading brands embrace the digital future? Scan the QR code to download the eBook for more details.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.